Did you know there's a sneaky fat molecule that could be messing with your insulin? I'm Dr. Anderson from Natural Health Solutions, and it's not just about gaining weight. Scientists found that ceramides, a specific type of fat in our cells, might be the real culprit behind insulin resistance. But here's the awesome part. We can tackle this issue together. Let's break this down. First, a quick refresher. Insulin's job is to help glucose or sugar enter cells, especially muscle and liver. It does this by activating a signaling chain that ends with tiny glucose doors called glut for transporters opening up. But in insulin resistance, those doors don't open well. Glucose builds up in the blood, and the pancreas pumps out more and more insulin to compensate. Now enter the villain, ceramides. When we eat more calories than we burn, especially from saturated fats and excess refined carbs, some of that fuel gets stored not just in fat cells, but in muscle and liver. And inside these tissues, toxic fat molecules called ceramides start to accumulate. Why are they so harmful? Because ceramides act like roadblocks in the insulin signaling pathway. They literally prevent the key protein, AKT, from turning on, which means glut for transporters never move to the surface. No GLUT4, no glucose entry. As ceramides build up, your muscle can't use glucose properly. Your liver keeps pumping sugar into the blood, and your fat tissue sends out inflammatory signals. Over time, this pushes blood sugar up and drives type 2 diabetes. In fact, researchers now believe ceramides are one of the strongest molecular predictors of insulin resistance and cardiovascular risk. So, how do we fight back? Here's the game changer. Ceramides are not a life sentence. You can reduce them. Here's what research points to. Number 1, exercise. Even a single workout lowers ceramide levels in muscle, and regular training keeps them down while increasing insulin sensitivity. Number 2, weight loss. Reducing visceral fat and liver fat reduces ceramide production at the source. Number 3, healthy fats. Replacing excess saturated fat with unsaturated fats, especially omega-3 South, can shift lipid metabolism away from ceramide production. Omega-3 South can also reduce inflammation from those harmful fat molecules. Number 4, medications. Drugs like GLP-1 receptor agonists. For example, semaglutide and tirzepatide reduce ceramides indirectly through fat loss. And scientists are even testing drugs that block ceramide synthesis directly. So what does this mean for you? If you want to fight insulin resistance, think beyond just sugar or carbs. Ask, how can I reduce toxic fat molecules inside my cells? That means move every day. Even a brisk walk matters. Focus on healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, fish. Aim to gradually reduce belly and liver fat. You're not just burning calories. You're dismantling a molecular roadblock inside your body. It won't be easy, but you don't have to do it alone. There are many free resources available to help you. If you found this helpful, share it with someone struggling with blood sugar, and subscribe for more science-based health insights. Together, we can turn the tide against diabetes. Thank you. Now check out this playlist with more awesome videos.